in seventh also, when you were taught the water cycles in science. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So just quickly, in 1 or 2 minutes, just draw the water cycle in your notebook. Quickly. The discussions we do today, please keep that fresh in your mind before we start the poem. Okay, so just quickly draw the water cycle. And since it's a new topic, okay, completely new topic, and it is a very, very interesting poem, I want 100%
Done, ma'am.
participation from all the students. Okay? Okay, let's draw. Okay, let's draw
Ma'am,
on the
done.
board. Good. Let's draw on the board. Help me here. So, first of all, as I guess I've told you before, also my drawing is very, very, very bad. Okay, so don't judge me on that. I'm telling you before only, my drawing is very bad. Okay, so for example, these are clouds. Okay, so now these clouds turn into those dark, watery clouds. What is this process called?
Ma'am, condensation.
Very good. Okay, then from these clouds, yeah, from these clouds, the rain starts to fall. And this is
Ma'am, it is called precipitation.
very good. This is called precipitation. Okay. And for example, these are the water bodies. What happens here?
Ma'am, evaporation.
Evaporation with the help of,
Solar energy.
yes, very
Yes,
good,
ma'am,
with the help
sunlight.
of. Done. So this is our complete water cycle. Very good, all of you. Very good. Let's move on to the another topic. Keep this in your mind, please. Okay, everyone. Okay. Now let's do importance of rain. Again, quickly, take 1 or 2 minutes, write the points in your notebook. Importance of rain. And I want everyone to tell at least 1 point.
Importance of rain.
Yeah, importance of rain.
Ma'am, how many points we have to write?
Write 3, 4 points. I'll ask each student 1 point at least, and then we'll club all the points. Write at least 3, 4 points in the notebook.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Let's just wait for another minute. Done? All of you? Okay, and call out the names. Okay.
I have joined a little late, so could you please explain
Okay.
what we have to do?
We are doing importance of rain. Okay, let's start. Bhavya Bhardwaj, tell me your
Yes,
first
ma'am.
point. First point.
Ma'am, is a is the basic requirement of living beings. We require water for living also, and it is used for wash in our daily life for washing clothes or cooking, or as a raw material also in many industries. For making
Okay.
things
Used as a raw material.
in agriculture.
Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Used in daily life. Okay. Next point. Devansh. That's it. That's it. Next point, Devansh.
Ma'am, it helps in providing water to trees in forests.
Ma'am supports wildlife.
Okay.
Main source of fresh water.
Just a second. Supports wildlife.
Is the one most important, ma'am. There's a most important point, ma'am. It maintains the water cycle.
Maintains water cycle. Very good.
Ma'am, lower pollution levels.
Okay.
Ma'am, regulates the temperature of Earth.
Okay.
Helps in modern
Ma'am,
technologies.
the
Just
water.
a second. One by one. Regulates the temperature of the earth. Next point is
Ma'am, our body makes up 70% of water.
okay.
Rain.
Yeah, we're talking about rain.
Ma'am, we can also store the
Ma'am,
rainwater and use to generate electricity through hydroelectric power plants.
Water.
Okay, very good. Provides water for hydroelectricity. Next point. Just a second. I'll be sending the picture also. The both, don't worry. Yes.
source of fresh water.
Okay, source of fresh water.
Irrigation is left.
Okay.
Ma'am, lower pollution levels.
Okay.
Ma'am, helps in modern technologies.
Helps in
Modern technologies, for example, electrical energy.
okay, that I've written. Provides water for hydroelectricity.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we can add the point of renewable resource also, because seawater is available in abundance, since we can't use it for drinking, but we can use for generation of electricity.
That's also done.
Ma'am, is soil
Hydroelectricity.
fertility.
Lowers pollution level.
Ma'am, is soil fertility done?
Okay. Retains soil fertility. Retains soil fertility. Fresh water we've written. Any other point?
Ma'am, it helps in reforming the groundwater level.
Okay. Maintains groundwater level.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how does it retain soil fertility?
Kanak, explain.
Ma'am, the minerals it contains, when they fall down, they enrich the soil with all those minerals.
Yeah, and also if the rain will not be there, the land will turn into a barren land because the
Ma'am, there will
soil
be a
that you
drought.
use,
तो मैम
yeah,
वो
it
तो
will there will be a drought.
ग्राउंड
Yeah,
वाटर की वजह से होता है ना, ग्राउंड वाटर डिप्लीट होने की वजह से होता
groundwater, and where do we get groundwater levels? How does it maintain groundwater levels? Because of rain. It's a whole cycle.
है। मैम वो तो ग्राउंड वाटर में आ जाएगा
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
पॉइंट, सॉइल
So
फर्टिलिटी
I've
में।
written that maintains groundwater levels. In turn, it retains soil fertility. It's the entire circle. Clear? It also makes life possible on Earth. It also makes life possible on Earth. Why? Because basically agriculture and forests are dependent on rain, which in turn provides us food and supplies water. Okay. So basically, yes.
Ma'am, it also helps in the areas where water supply cannot reach.
Okay. You can add that also. Okay. I'll just take a picture of it. I'll send it to you. Very good. Now, the next thing. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing that we'll do is importance of poetry. Okay. I'm telling you again and again, keep these points fresh in your mind, okay? Importance of poetry. Again, take a minute and note down the points. Take a minute and note down the points, everyone. Why do you think poetry is important, or like in what way poetry helps us? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Akansha. Do you need another minute to note down the points?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
delivery of a message.
Delivery of a message. Okay.
It's a very creative way to express one's feeling and beat anything, beat a dark humor or any interesting incident or a tale It can be anything.
Okay.
Deliver a message.
I'm
Okay,
delivering
that's
a
what you're
delivery.
conveying an idea.
As it's saying.
Okay, delivery of a message or conveying an idea. It's basically the same thing.
It is a
Ma'am,
more
on delivery of
attractive way to
paper
represent
message, is it the same
One
thing?
by one, one by one, one by one. Okay. Next point.
Ma'am, songs are poetry.
Expressing feelings.
Okay. Expressing different feelings such as what kind of feelings?
Nostalgia.
Dark humor.
Okay. Dark humor is not a feeling. First, tell me
No,
the
but it-
feeling.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, but
nostalgia.
Feelings like love, hatred, feeling of friendship, death, basically your emotions.
Ma'am,
but
usage of
will
sentence
Ma'am,
is
one can know
required
its
to
culture.
explain something.
Okay, raise your hand. Raise your hand. I'll see. Okay, raise your hand. Next point. Tell me next point.
You said to raise
Ma'am,
hand.
Yeah, raise it. I can't see anyone raising their hands actually.
We have raised.
Ma'am, Ashwarya is raising her hand.
Okay, I can't see anyone. Just a second.
May I?
Just a second. Aishwarya. Now it's showing. Aishwarya.
usage of sentences isn't required to explain something.
Okay, good. It requires to explain something. Devansh.
Ma'am, poetry is a more attractive way to present a story.
Okay. Okay. Next, anyone else?
Ma'am, it can be relatable.
The foundation of
Ma'am.
It
literature.
can be relatable. Okay, relatable.
Ma'am, one can know its culture.
Okay, tell us about the culture.
And can we call it the foundation of literature?
Foundation would be a very big claim. Okay, so not foundation, yeah, but it is the most important aspect of literature. Most important aspect of literature.
It can be easily remembered in form of melody.
Okay. Any other point? It shows different shades of human beings. It shows different shades of human
Conveys
beings.
hidden meanings.
Contains hidden meaning. Very good. Any other point?
Ma'am, shows different.
Shows different shades of human beings. Okay, it portrays human beings in a different way. It has the power to influence the world. Okay. I guess that's it. Yeah. Just a second. Okay. Now, so now we know that what is the importance of rain. We also know the importance of poetry. Again, keep these points in your mind because in the poem, we'll discuss the relationship and the contrast between these two. So keep their importance in your mind. Okay, now let's talk about something. So now the thing is that everyone, each one of us associates rain with something or the other. Okay, we associate rain, like some just see rain and they think that, oh, this is so beautiful, the entire nature looks so beautiful, trees look so nice, and children, what do? They go and dance in the rain, okay, because they associate rain with dance. So now if I ask each one of you that when it rains, what is the first thought that comes to your mind? What is the first thought that comes
Old
to your mind?
memories, old
Sorry?
memories, old memories of us with our friends in rain.
Okay, old memories, nostalgia. Anything else?
What was your question?
Yes, Kanak?
What was your question?
When it's raining, what is the first thought that comes to your mind? Anyone?
Its smell is really pleasant.
Okay, Kanak, can you repeat?
Ma'am, the rain smell is really pleasant.
Okay. Aryan, you were saying something?
For me, it will oh, why did it rain? I wanted to play with my friends downstairs.
Okay. Okay. Anyone
Ma'am,
else?
ma'am, relief.
Relief. Okay. For example, for
Earthworms.
worms. Okay. For example, I personally do not prefer rain. See, because it is basically an irony with me that I like the sound of rain. Okay. I really like the sound of rain, but I do not like the rain itself. Okay, because I associate rain with like an obstacle for me because I can't go outside, I can't work. Okay, so I have to stay at home only. Okay, so it's kind of an obstacle. And even if I have to go out, it's important. It's like a very big mess. Okay, even though I like the sound of rain. Okay, so everyone associates like an Indian. What do they do? What do people do? Whenever it's raining, they just go and they make chai and pakoras, right? So they associate rain with that whenever it will rain, we'll have chai and pakora. Yeah, it happens, right? In our households also, we have seen this often. Some people, what do? When it's raining, they just like to sit quietly and enjoy some very light music. Some like to watch movies. Yeah, some like to just go outside in the rain. So the thing is that everyone has a very different association with the word or with the thought of rain. So same way, centuries has happened that poets, writers, artists, they have associated their piece of writing with rain. Okay, now why is that or how is that rain itself fires up the imagination of artists or poets? How rain fires the.
Ma'am, it makes them feel calm so they can think more.
Okay, just a second, we'll discuss. Of poets, writers, artists. Okay, now if you could recall, if I don't know if you will remember, there was a poem in grade 9 about rain. What was that name? If anyone remembers. In grade 9. It was Rain on the Roof. Do you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it was
Yes,
rain on
ma'am.
the roof. And the poet used to associate the falling of rain with his childhood memories. है ना? So same way, many poets and many artists, they have associated rain on the roof. Yeah, they have associated rain with their piece of writing. Now, using the internet, you all have access to internet right now. Give me 5 names of poems, okay, that is associated with rain. Give me 5 names of poems that is about rain. Quickly. You can use the internet. Give me 5 names of poems that are about rain using the internet. Okay, I've not heard of this poem. What is? Okay. Yeah. I know this line, rain, rain, go away only. Okay. Tell me more.
Aligned Storm.
Lines.
Sorry.
Aligned Storm by Robert Frost.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Tell me more.
Shower by Emily Dick.
Summer Shower, Emily Dickinson.
Rainstorm.
Okay. Tell me more.
Rainy nights.
Rainy night.
Ma'am, summer shower.
Summer shower I've written.
Ma'am, After the Rain by Robert Noyes.
After the
Rainy day.
rain.
It's a rainy day.
It's a rainy day.
It's a rainy day.
Okay.
How beautiful is the rain? William Wordsworth.
Creativity.
Okay. How beautiful is the rain?
Ma'am, Still Falls in the Rain by Edith Sitwell.
Okay. That's it. Okay. So now we have seen that there have been, like we have just discussed one or two, just know the names of one or two. But in general, you can also see that there are so many poems that have been written about the rain itself. Now, why does this happen? Why do poets always use rain and wind and storm in their poems? Why? Can anyone just guess? Just guess. Random guess.
Ma'am, because rain has
Destruction.
some people
Because
ma'am,
okay.
rain has all the feelings, in it. Like some people think that it is quite a sad moment for them when they can cry and nobody can even notice that they're crying. While some think that this rain could bring them the happiness. Like there's a chapter in class 10th which we read where a farmer, was waiting for the rain, but that rain turned out to be a very turning point in his life, which destroyed his, crops. So
Yeah,
it
letter to God.
yeah, letter to God one. So it has all the feelings which one can describe. Some use it to hide their sorrows, while some are very quite happy with it.
Now
Okay.
it brings back old memories.
Okay. Since we associate rain with some emotion, right? Like right now, also we discussed that for all of us, rain brings some kind of emotion. Like some feels happy, some feels sad, some feels stressed out. Okay. Rain brings some kind of emotion. Same way, poetry also brings some kind of emotion. Okay. In this way, they both are similar. That is why poets use rain in their poems. Another reason. Very good, Bhavya. Any other reason?
Of rain
Yes.
is very calming, so the writers can think more easily to write stories and
Okay, calming. Very good. Any other reason?
Rain also plays a big significance in our life. That's why there are many things in which rain is necessary.
Okay, very good. Significant for humans.
Ma'am, we can use a lot of poetic devices on rain. Ma'am, it can be used as a metaphor for a lot of incidents.
Okay, it can be used as a metaphor or personification. Change the chalk. Okay, metaphor or personification. Okay. Any other point? See, when rain or wind is used in poem, because usually what happens that wind and rain are associated with the harsh forces of nature. It is associated with the harsh forces of nature. Okay. So what do poets do? Poets celebrate rain and wind as there are many poets who write about nature. We have Robert Frost, we have Walt Whitman. Okay, so what do? They celebrate rain and wind as the forces of nature. Okay. Also, rain, when we were reading about the importance of rain, we were doing the water cycle. What did we know? That rain usually is associated with creation and life also. Okay, it is always creating itself. Okay, and it is also important for life survival. Okay, so it is also about creation and life. So what do poets do? They symbolize rain as creation and life. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, so any other point that I've missed?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So what did we do till now? We have done the water cycle. We have done the importance of rain. We have done the importance of poetry. And it is also, rain also tells the aesthetic beauty. It also signifies aesthetic beauty. And poets and writers are always looking for beautiful things to add in their poems, right? They are always looking for beautiful things to add in the poem. And rain is also the significance of aesthetic beauty. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, everyone. Very good. Okay, I'll just erase all of this.
Ma'am, it is also significance of optimism, like the people says, after dark clouds there is a bright sunshine.
Okay, very good. Significance of optimism also. So I would like to give all of you one homework, very small homework. Just do one thing. Create, or you can also search. Okay, I would like you to create only. Create a quote or a statement, and relate rain or associate rain with something. Create a line, create a quote. Like the quote right now, Bhavya just said. Bhavya, what was the quote? Can you repeat?
After dark clouds there is a bright day.
After dark clouds there is a day. Yeah. So like that, create a quote, everyone, using the word rain. Is that clear? And you can symbolize anything. You can symbolize any emotion with rain. You can symbolize life, sorrow, beauty, anything. Symbolize anything. Just create a quote using the word rain. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what you can do is, let's make it interesting. Just a second.
Ma'am, just a quote or a poem?
Just one statement. No, not do not write the whole poem. Just one statement or one quote. Okay. So when we write a quote, okay, so there's a quote and then there's a byline, right? By and your name.
And what is the task?
The task is to just write a quote, create a quote, okay, create a quote, and it should be related to rain. Just create a quote using the word rain. Is that clear?
So the word rain should be present in the quote, or it should be just
It's not important that the word rain is there, okay, but it should, have the association with the rain. You should associate your quote with the rain. Clear? Okay,
Yes.
so let's make it interesting. So when you write the quote, okay, you write the byline, okay, write the quote and share it in the group, the English group. Okay, this way, for example, Akshita wrote one quote, okay, and Akshita writes the quote and then by Akshita, clear, and share it in the group so that other students doesn't write the same quote. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
So do it till tomorrow before the class, and then I'll read out the quotes in the class from WhatsApp group. Interesting? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
all your creativity. Do anything you want to do in that code. It should just be associated with rain. Be as creative as you can. Okay? Now, so we have done the introduction part, most of it. Tomorrow we'll be discussing about the poet Walt Whitman. Tomorrow we have a class? No, tomorrow we don't have a class. So do this till Wednesday. We have a class on Wednesday. We don't have a class on Tuesday. Okay, so on Wednesday, we'll be discussing about the poet Walt Whitman, and we'll start with the poem. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. I have to take the attendance also. Does anyone have any kind of doubt? The topic that we did today?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Today is 6th. Okay. Akansha,
Present, ma'am.
Arav Grewal, Arav Sharma, Abneesh,
Present, ma'am.
Aishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita,
Present, ma'am.
Aman,
Present, ma'am.
Anshika,
Present, ma'am.
Arumita,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush, Bhavya Bhardwaj,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Daman, Devansh,
Present, ma'am.
Dishita,
Present, ma'am.
Galaxy, Gautam Kakkar,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu, Jayant, Kanak,
Present, ma'am.
Kanha,
Present, ma'am.
Kunjal.
Ma'am, Himanshu present.
Yeah, at Mountain present. Kunjal was also present, no? Okay. Lakshay,
Present, ma'am.
Linoy, Manav.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, have you marked me present, Himanshu?
Yeah, I've marked you present. Pragya, Rishabh,
Present, ma'am.
Rohan, Sahil,
Present, ma'am.
Sahil Sharma, Sanket, Chayam, Shashwat,
Manoj
uh, Shivansh,
Present, ma'am.
Shriya,
Present, ma'am.
Siddhant Sharma,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Jain,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Semwal,
Present, ma'am.
Shrishti, Vani, Vanshika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay, good. There are good number of students today. So first of all, one thing, note down that 80% of attendance is compulsory to appear in term 2 examinations. Okay. Second of all, there are some students whose attendance they are lacking behind. Okay. So make sure you're regular in all the classes. Okay. Third thing, I hope the project is going well. The project on Alien Planet. I hope that's going well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Keep on working on that. Once you complete, you can submit it before also. It's not necessary that you submit it on 5th Jan itself. You can submit it before also. Third thing, the Browning version assignment is there on the Teams. Make sure it is turned in by Wednesday. Second, elements of a play. Only, I guess, 2 or 3 students have submitted. Why is that? Why is that? Everyone has to do that assignment. That is very, very important because there is another play in our syllabus. Okay, and when we are doing that, I need you to be aware. I need you to know the elements of a play. Is that clear? So even if you can't upload it on Teams anymore because the due date is over, submit it on to me on WhatsApp. But please do that. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So on Wednesday, we'll start with Walt Whitman and the poem. Clear? Write the quotes, all of you. Be creative and share in the group with your name. Okay? Do write your name, like by and your name. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'll see you all on Wednesday now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Would be inspired or just
Second. Just a second. Yes, Bhavya, you're asking something?
ma'am Vanshika.
Yes, Anshika. Sorry.
Ma'am, quotes must be inspiring or just a feeling.
It can be anything. It can be inspiring also. It should be in relation with rain. You can talk anything about rain.
Okay, ma'am.
You can make it inspirational. You can make it nostalgic. Anything. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, I'll see you all on Wednesday. Take care. Thank you.